What's going on with Tech Friendly? This is the one and only Tech Bus. So as you can see on the table, it's a long video I've been waiting for. It's a video I've been waiting for so long. I say a month and a half now. I've been waiting for these bad boys to come through. Obviously, you know, I got the Samsung Galaxy S10, so obviously I got it free. I got the buds with it for free. So I've been waiting for it for a month and a half now, which is very annoying because it's delayed this video, which is very annoying. But yeah, anyway guys, we're gonna unbox this bad boy and see what's in the box.
Jack it up.
This is my first time actually seeing these things in the flesh. I've only seen them on TV or adverts or whatever, but yeah, I have one and I'm going to be sharing with you guys my experience and my own take about these. I mean, it's a big step up from obviously the wired earphones you would normally have, but obviously these are wireless and these are Bluetooth. So we're gonna crack the box open and see what's in the box. But looking around the box, it's an absolutely beautiful design. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the design is just beautiful. Just look at that. On the side there, you got the Samsung Galaxy Bud. What's it called? The Samsung Galaxy Bud writing on there. Just the logo to tell you it's a Samsung Galaxy Bud. And then the back, you just got some details telling you what's included in the box and stuff like that. We'll go into that in just a while. On the side there, you just have just quick brief information about the product you're going to be buying. It's up to 6 hours. No, you got 6 hours play. It's up to 6 hours play time. It can't be 6 hours because obviously I mean, factories and people that make things can't get exactly the numbers and figures, you know what I mean? But yeah, I'll just say it's up to 6 hours playtime, and then it's got clear call quality. So when you're actually on the phone to people with these, you're going to be able to hear them very well, and it's going to be very crisp. And then obviously it's wireless charging, so you can charge it up with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, which I've got here in handy, so I can show you guys how that works. And then it's designed for comfort and stability. So if you got these in your ears for hours, it's going to be comfortable, and also it's going to stay in your ears and not go anywhere because it's designed to be stable in your ears. Well, yeah, let's crack this box open. I've already cracked it open because when I recorded this video and actually cut it with the knife and all that, my mic wasn't on, which I got through the whole video. Well, near enough the whole video, and I just realized and I was so pissed. But anyway, Samsung is going for the design that they did with the S10 Plus by having the quick start envelope guide, envelope thing, whatever, stuck inside the top of the box. So you literally have this little tab in there to pull it out. So which is like that. So let's see what we got in here. It's obviously like normal. You have the warranty card, and then you got the quick start guide to tell you how to use the phone. I mean, how to use the buds, how to get them set up, and how to obviously operate them. Funny enough, it's actually the only first time I'm gonna say we're gonna be needing the quick start guide because I don't know anything about this and how it works. But anyway, you've got a nice layout design. Obviously you got the case, and then you got some accessories. So obviously you got these to all come out at once. You got the tips. You got 3 different types of tips here actually. You got these ones. I think they come with already reinstalled. So I think that's just an extra one in case you lose it or whatever. And then you got these ones that are just round. I don't know what you use them for. And then you got two different sizes of tips. You got the small ones. I don't know if you can see that. I know you got the small one, and then you got a slightly bigger one there to fit the comfort need of your ear. However big or small your ear canals are. That's my first time saying that word. And then in here as well, you got the USB cable to charge up the actual case if obviously you don't have any wireless charging port, or you don't have the STEM port plus to charge it quickly. So you got the normal big USB that you can plug into a wall adapter or into the PC. I just burped there. Or into the PC. And then you got the USB-C, which goes into the actual case itself, so you can charge it up. That's what's in the box. Now you're gonna get to the main attraction with a nice slick case. Look how slick that case is. Look how slick it is. Obviously Samsung, designed by AKG. Then at the bottom here you just have the model number and just a little bit of information there. And then at the back here we got the little port here, USB-C port to charge up the case if you want to charge it with obviously the wire. And then yeah, let's see what we're greeted with. Wow. So when you actually open it, it has like a lock, like a latch lock. So you open it up, it's a bit flimsy, but then you extend it open, you get a nice little click. So it's not really flapping around or misbehaving or anything like that. But then yeah, you're greeted with the nice beautiful buds, which look absolutely amazing and slick. Let's try these on and see how comfortable and stability they are. So oh wow. So this is actually what they look like. You can see this is what this looks like. Obviously on the top here you got some buttons. Well, not a button, but it's touchable. It's like touch screen, so you can actually touch it, swipe it, whatever, and it will actually do something. Well, let's get this one in. It feels very it's comfortable. I don't even feel like there's anything in there. It feels, like I said, it's comfortable. I'm doing a lot of movements. You won't be really doing that lots of movements when you're out and about, but for the most of it, it's quite steady. And my color keeps coming off, which is really annoying. But it's quite steady. It feels secure in your ears, and it's it's very soundproof. I literally can't hear anything at all aside from my voice, and I feel like my voice is very, very loud, extremely loud. Well, what's that called when you put headphones on and you can't hear your surroundings? It's just like that. It feels like I'm in my own world, like just talking. It feels great. I mean, if you want your own peace and silence, and you just get one of these that do the job. I can just hear my voice talk. I mean, I can hear myself talk, and that's it. I can't hear any background noises at all. Someone would actually have to talk to you very loud, speak loudly, so you can actually hear them wearing these, because they're very, very, I mean, you take one off, it's alright, you can hear someone else, but you know you can't really hear someone from this side of the room because this one's in, but you can hear people on this side, which is pretty damn cool. I think that's pretty cool. It's got magnets as well that hold it in place, so you just literally drop them in and it just finds his way to the right spot where it's meant to be. The magnet is quite strong that holds it, not too bad. I'm going to demonstrate to you how this actually works when you obviously charge it with this. So you literally just put it in the back of the device and it will just charge it. I don't know how long that's going to take, but it just charges the damn thing. But yeah, that's the unboxing on this tiny little product. So it's the Samsung Galaxy Buds. They're done well. It's comfortable in the ears. You can do whatever you want with yourself, and these are not gonna fall off your ears, which is good, and that's the main thing. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, also share this video because I'm trying to get up to 2,000 subscribers on my channel, and we are, I believe, 500. We're basically halfway. We're on 1,500 at the moment, trying to get up to 2,000. Giveaway will be coming up when I hit that 2,000 mark. And yeah, also vote on the poll as well. Tell me, is it this way? I don't know. Vote on the poll. Tell me if you like this video as well. Yes or no. Just tell me if you like it or not. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.